Welcome to another edition of Dad's Disasters, everybody.
Welcome Ed-Bod. In this edition we're going to do the Mazda RX8 handbrake adjustment. Simple enough job, you can do yourself at home. So as you can see, there's a lot of slack. Don't think this has ever been adjusted. First off, some tools we'll be requiring: a plastic trim removal tool or a thin screwdriver, a ratchet, a long 10mm socket,
And
a short extension bar. So, first of all, we'll slide back the centre console cover, put the car in first gear so it can't move, and release the handbrake. As you can see, this curved piece of trim needs to come out. Just feel a little slot at the bottom there. Put the trim removal tool in and prise backwards. No, didn't get it that time. There's the click, just slide out. And we'll place that down there so we don't lose it. So, shine a torch down in the hole. As you can see there's an adjustment bolt with a 10mm nut. Can you see that, lol?
yeah,
So, we'll see how many clicks the handbrake does.
it's 14 to 15 clicks.
Yeah, that's far too many. We need about 3 to 4 ideally. So we'll put the socket onto the adjuster. You can have a go at tightening that up, lol.
Yeah.
There you go.
Make sure you turn it clockwise.
Is it easy?
Yeah, and it's a bit flat too.
Yeah, it is a bit slack. Okay, we'll do that till it feels a bit tight. Now we'll remove the tool. Test the handbrake. Right, more adjustment needed. Keep tightening.
Okay.
We'll take that out. Try again. Going a little bit better. Feel some tension. Still not enough. It's important to pull the handbrake up and down several times to even out the tension in the cable. We'll tighten that a bit more. Getting a little bit better. That's it. Boom. Put the tool, the socket, back onto the adjuster. As you can feel some tension there now, we'll put the ratchet on to help. Right, so you can tighten that up, lol.
Yeah, I'll turn it 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
That's it, 3 turns. So we'll test now. Getting better, but still too much travel. Several pulls, even out the tension.
Put the socket back in.
tighten that up a bit more. So we're nearly there.
Really need to do it one more time.
Right, so we'll do the last minor adjustment. That's 3 clicks. 3 clicks. Right, we'll slide the plastic trim back in.
When it clicks, it's on.
That's it. How's that? Job done.
Fantastic.